So in this video we're going to talk you through how to do Required Practical 11. Now Required Practical 11 is all about investigating how the concentration of a reagent affects the rate of reaction. So the method that we're going to use today is reacting hydrochloric acid with some powdered magnesium, and that's going to release hydrogen gas which we're going to collect over water. So to start with, just so you can see the basic reaction, we're going to take 15 ml of this 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid, and I've poured a little bit of it out into a beaker because we don't want to pour it directly from the stock bottle. And I'm going to hold my measuring cylinder at eye level so that I can very clearly see when I've poured enough that the meniscus is resting on that 15 there. Okay, so that 15 ml is going to go in with some magnesium that we've already measured and weighed, because obviously we want the same amount of magnesium in every single reaction. The only thing that we're going to change between these three reactions is the concentration of the hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to pour this into here and you'll be able to see some bubbles of hydrogen being produced, and then we're going to look at this in a bit more detail and how we can collect that gas to measure how much is being produced.
We want to be collecting the gas, the hydrogen gas that is formed as a result of this reaction. So we're going to collect it underwater. So again, we're measuring the volume of a substance, the volume of hydrogen gas, so we are using our measuring cylinder. Now what you need to do is, you're going to need some help for this as well, is you want to get your measuring cylinder completely full up of water, so there should be no air bubbles in there whatsoever. Now this can be quite tricky and it might take one or two goes. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, it's submerged and there are no air bubbles inside. So then, using a friend to help you, you're going to invert it. So now, as you can see, there is no air at all. It's full of water, and each one of these lines is a milliliter. So that will show you how much gas you have collected. At this point, we're going to collect the gas given off by our three different concentrations of hydrochloric acid. Now, we want to determine a rate. So we are going to collect the gas for a set amount of time, 10 seconds for each concentration, each at the same volume. Right, so we need to get our delivery tube, with our bung, because it's going to be like this. And we are going to use this to collect the gas inside here. So in order to do that, and you are going to need a partner, we want to make sure that our delivery tube goes up inside the water, inside the measuring cylinder. Right, you then need a bit of teamwork in this point. So, count me down.
3, 2, 1, go. Seven, 8, 9, stop.
Okay, so now we've stopped and we can then simply count how many milliliters of hydrogen gas we have collected.